Lizard Stew, written and illustrated by Ashley Gray. I like lizard stew when it sits inside my shoe. It has a very funny taste, kinda like our compost waste. I like lizard stew when it smells like the zoo. It has a really icky smell, kinda like a hippo's tail. I like lizard stew when it sounds like a toot. It makes a giant gurgly sound, kinda like our goofy hound. I like lizard stew when it squishes like ooze. It has a silly slippery feel, kinda like a slimy eel. I like lizard stew when it looks like pink mildew. I'll admit it's quite a sight, but wait until you try a bite. I like lizard stew because it is the best. If you say pretty please, I might give you the rest. But my recipe's a secret, I hope you don't mind. So don't ask any questions about what you might find.